What's up guys, Maitresh here on Mighty Moto back with a new video, and today is a really exciting video because we're going to be installing the big bore kit on the Himalayan and making it 471cc, which is going to be mad. So we're going to Shaukat Bhai shop now and hopefully we make a lot of power. And Race Kitty saying hi, say hi! So guys, this is the Himalayan that we're going to be making big bore. It's a 2018 BS4 bike. And there's the 234cc X Pulse right next to it. So we've done about I think 25 to 30,000 kilometers on this bore, this engine, and I think it's time for a power upgrade. So this bike used to be the old owner of the Powertronic, which is now on the X Pulse. The bike used to be so cool with the Powertronic one. And as you all can see, it has a red rooster pipe which has gone through hell. It's been welded many times and all that, but it still sounds really cool. So guys, I made it to the mechanic shop, and this is the entire kit from NMW Racing for the Himalayan, excluding the ECU, which I'll be installing later. As you all can see, the 83.5 mm piston, which is mad. We have the piston, then we have the cam, which is a 8.4.3. I don't know what that means, but that's what it is. And as you all can see, like everything is like really neat on the bike. There's nothing which is looking bad. Like people usually say that the frame starts cracking here and here, and that's what a lot of controversy has been about the Himalayan. But so far, in terms of build quality, I've never had an issue with this bike. It's probably been one of the most reliable bikes that I've had. So guys, this is the old piston. It's run about 25 to 30,000 kilometers. As you all can see, it's the cast piston, and you all can see the size difference also. Without the rings, this one's ring size is like the size of this one's piston. You all can clearly see the difference from this angle, I think. And this is the forged piston. This is the cast piston.
ज़्यादा कैबिन है उठा रही है ऊपर.
So guys, the piston is much bigger, so we are planning and seeing if we have to machine the head. So that's the stock piston, and this piston is pretty big sitting on this. So guys, we have decided to take the head to the machine shop because obviously this piston fits perfect here, and this one is much more broad than the stock piston. So keeping it in the same place, it's about 1.5 mm more. So he's going to take it to the lathe and we'll get it done. Then let's see what happens. I'll talk to you all when we are done with the head work. So guys, we are leaving it like this because Shaukat Bhaiya is going to go get the head work done, and after that it's going to be making a lot of power. So we'll see the bike in a while. Bye guys. Bye Bhaiya.
Approximately 10 hours later.
So guys, the head has been machined and Bhaiya took it to a 3D CNC place and they had to make a jig for it. So once they made the jig, they did the cut and now it fits this gasket correctly for the 471cc. As you all can see, this is the difference. It's like 1 mm, 1.5 mm all around. This is the high-rise camshaft. As you all can see, it doesn't have the decompressor thing. And you all can also see the height of this. This is much taller. The peak is much taller in this than this one.
Thousands of tears later.
So guys, it's day 3 and we are doing the Himalayan. So today it'll get fitted. आज fit हो गया ना भैया? होगा ना भैया?
आज हो जाता, आज हो जाता.
So guys, the bore came without the timing chain tensioner, the thing without being scraped. So Bhaiya is scraping it. But then I mean, spending so much for this bore, you would expect them to at least do that and give it.
So don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me reckless, but I don't care. You're dangerously close and I keep going on. You keep me fading, and I don't care, 'cause I want everything that I've been running from. Every time I fall in it deep, and I can't fight it, I can't fight it. You wreck my mind, I'm losing my sleep, and you know that it's all that I need. So don't leave me alone. La 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 la.
Guys, everything has been fit, the bore and the head, and now they're fitting the cam, and you're having issues with the timing chain because they're not able to hold it and it keeps slipping. But now the cam will be installed, and this is a high lift cam.
You don't leave me alone. La 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 la. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone. La 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 la. La 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 la. Don't leave me alone.
The moment of truth. ये क्या भाई ये? गाड़ी स्टार्ट करे, लाइट चलेगी.
दो ऑयल डाला ले.
एक है किसी की गाड़ी. Wait, bro. Still, it didn't happen.
It started.
Self नहीं हो रहा है. Now you डरा.
Idle नहीं हो रहा ना. इंजन नहीं चल रहा है.
Oh,
Burning from the bore.
how is it, bro?
Given 2 minutes. So guys, we just finished the bike. The bike is done. Shaukat Bhaiya just finished his job and he just went for a ride. The bike is flying. कैसा था भैया काम?
Super, super.
हमारा NMW का बोर
बहुत मस्त. प्रॉब्लम था थोड़ा से हमें मैच
बट
करना
भैया ने पूरा कर दिया मैचिंग. डबल
कर
पिन
दिया.
का भी थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम था बट भैया ने कर दिया वो भी. और
थोड़ा
अभी
setting.
बघारा ना गाड़ी.
हाँ अभी आराम से 140 150 तो क्वार्टर माइल ही आराम से टच कर रहा है. आराम से
टेस्टिंग
ड्रैग
करना है. एक स्टॉक हिमालयन लेकर टेस्ट करेंगे.
टेस्ट करेंगे
Good
इंशाल्लाह.
job.
बहुत ओके.
Guys, I'm heading home now. The bike is done. The bike is there, is done, and I'll update you all about it. I'm going to be fitting the ECU soon, so that video will also be cool. I hope you all liked it. I just went for a spin in the bike. It's spitting flames. It feels literally mad. Like first gear feels uncontrollable. And if you all like the video, give it a like. If you all want to subscribe for more, please subscribe for more. And I'll see you all in the next video. More Himalayan content, more Xpulse 234 content, and maybe some other bikes also in the future. So let's see guys. Bye.